So how do you deal with things such as, okay, I need a lot of data points on, I need to know how many customers did XYZ, but in the source data, there you need to apply a few different kinds of transformations
Yeah,
on top
like,
of that to get that answer.
I mean, that's a classic like data warehousing problem. And so those data warehouses are already built. I am just saying you don't need to build new pipelines and new data sources and new like
I see.
connections, right? So if you're doing something that is important to your business, which is where the original data warehousing concept comes from, right? We can go fetch it from that data warehouse. But what we can also do, and this is what's done through complex software or complex pipelining today, we can also do things like, or we should be able to do things like, hey, for example, if you ask me, I say this often, like, I don't care about Terminator happening, right? Like, I care about where my order is if I ordered something online, for example.
Yeah.
I think.